All right, so this next step is to show you how to make one item larger. To make an item larger, it's actually really a nice and simple, easy step. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your selection tool. You are then going to click on your background layer. Again, you're clicking on your background layer because that's where all of the information is living. Let's say that I wanted to make this rose larger. I'm going to go ahead and select this rose. Again, I have a really small brush because I want to have a nice clean selection. I've selected too much here on accident, so I'm going to hold down my Option key to deselect. You can see how it's going back. I'm going to go in and select this green part right here. I want to have this green part right here as well. What you're going to do now, which is really nice and simple, is you're going to hit Command and the letter J. What this does, again, we did it earlier, is that it creates this information on a new layer all by itself. We're now ready to transform it and make it larger. So you're going to hit the letters Command T. You're going to hold down that Shift key to make it larger. I'm going to adjust it. There's going to be a little bit of adjusting to do. Holding down that Shift key again. You really want to make it, adjust it, make it look larger, hit return. And so you have now made your rose go from small to large. You have now enlarged one item in your image. All right.